Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. This is from the Primordial. It is like the golden island of Jambu, a heart essence that propounds self-originating miracles, is the revered Lord of the victorious ones. There arises a compassion that is the same for us all. It is like the shining of 100,000 suns in the sky. Through the blessings of self-originating compassion, we use natural trainings and our trainings in compassion to employ our methods and our fierce austerities, so that not even one being is allowed to be thrown away. The moon does not wax or wane. It is through our delusion that we see it waxing and waning. Just so, in the enlightenment that is our unborn heart essence, the attribution of any birth or death is superficial. For sentient beings who do not understand, who wrongly understand, who understand a position, and who do not properly understand their use of methods, this is a glory that fulfills their many desires. It is also our self-originating sentience. The characteristic of the spacious sky is that any indications of miracles may appear, and they will certainly arise without stopping. But thusness is the true nature of the sky. There are waterfalls, springs, pools, lakes, wells, and all the rest, but there is no difference between water and wetness. Forms, ornaments, and pots, the infinite differences of those who do not agree, the practice of our many desires, and the transformation of our many desires. In the gold of thusness they are one. Just so, birth, death, joining and parting, virtue and evil, attachment and non-attachment, acceptance and rejection, existence and absence, permanence and annihilation, and all the rest. In self-originating wisdom, they are one. In the mandala of the space that is equal to the sky, the demarcations of birth and death are primordially pure. Those who play within this purity are like those who believe there are delusions in the pure sky. They reject birth and death, and they believe they do not exist. They put a stop to form, and are like those who feel shadows when they understand that birth and death are truly non-existent.